Hey, what's up YouTube? This is JT 49ers fan 21. Got our group break right here. Hopefully we get something nice. And a big thanks to Pointskater 24 for helping this get filled. You guys need to go sub to him if you haven't already. He's a great guy. Oh shit. We better get our 3 hits this time. And some rookies. All base in the first pack. More base in the second pack. More base. More base. Sick. Matt Forte, rookie autograph. Goes to the Bears. Pointskater 24, man. Congratulations, that is a nice hit for you. Normally those other autographs are pretty crappy, but that's pretty good. So I'm glad we got at least a pretty good start for this one. We got so many spots, so at least you already got something. Okay. Base. Better get some rookies in this. Last box, no rookies. This box better make up for it. Base. Base. Still looking for 2 more autographs. Base. What's this? Jordy Nelson. Patch auto, 2 color. Not bad. Number 2 of 25. That's actually nice. That is really nice. Be careful with that. And the last autograph is Juwan Morgan for the Chiefs, numbered out of 11/99. Pretty nice autograph, not bad. Okay, well we got our 3 hits. Hooray! Didn't get shorted. Actually, this was a good box actually. Patch auto, number to 25. Matt Forte, rookie autograph. I like it. But still no rookies yet. I don't know what's up with this. Base. base. And some more base. Come on, rookie card. Base. Wow, this is ridiculous. Last pack. What do you know? No rookie cards. That's it. But I'm not too disappointed though, because we got 3 autographs. Didn't get shorted. A nice 2-color patch auto of Jordy Nelson, numbered to 25. And a sweet Matt Forte rookie auto. Alright, thanks to everybody who joined. This was a pretty good break. And hopefully I can have some more breaks. Alright, thank you.